So we're coming around the corner, there's going to be a blue Citroen, a Gap, and then a green Golf. Instantly looking up ahead, there's a blue car reversing but not really involving us. There's nothing behind, about a car door width away from the green car. And I'm just going to pause level with the far end of the vehicle. I'm going to go straight into reverse. And I've seen the blue car, I'm not going to do anything. Having a look around, make sure I haven't missed anybody else. Going backwards to the ends of the vehicle are roughly level with each other. Have another look around. And I'm going to pop the car into the gap. Getting to about 45 degrees and straightening the car up, letting the car come backwards, get close to the curb and then turn away from the curb because we don't want to hit the curb. Keep coming round, keep coming round. You can hear the rear sensors coming on, and I'm just going to straighten the car up and stop. You can hear the beep. That's better. So we just popped it into a fairly small gap. We've ended up close and parallel to the curb. We've left enough room to get back out again. We're not sticking out into the road, so I think this is safe enough to park and go shopping. So, bye.